of remote-controlled cars, enthusiasts are constantly seeking the pinnacle of performance and innovation. One of the most thrilling advancements in this realm is the development of RC car kits featuring four-stroke engines. These engines, renowned for their power and efficiency, have become the heartbeat of high-performance RC cars. In this comprehensive guide, we delve deep into the intricate process of assembling and optimizing RC car kits with four-stroke engines, ensuring that your journey in the realm of remote-controlled excitement is unparalleled. Mastering the basics, understanding RC car kits. Before we embark on the journey of constructing a four-stroke engine RC car, it's crucial to comprehend the fundamental components of an RC car kit. From chassis to wheels, each part plays a pivotal role in determining the car's speed, stability, and maneuverability. Choosing a high-quality kit with durable components is the first step towards building a top-tier RC car. Selecting the perfect four-stroke engine. The heart of every RC car lies in its engine, and when it comes to four-stroke engines, precision and power are non-negotiable. Opt for an engine that aligns with your desired speed and performance goals. Consider factors such as horsepower, torque, and fuel efficiency to make an informed choice. A well-selected four-stroke engine can significantly enhance your car's acceleration and overall speed. Building your RC car, step-by-step guide. Assembling the chassis and suspension system. Begin by meticulously assembling the chassis, ensuring that all components fit snugly. The suspension system, comprising shocks and springs, plays a pivotal role in absorbing shocks and maintaining stability even on rough terrains. Mounting the four-stroke engine. Carefully mount the four-stroke engine onto the chassis, securing it with precision. Align the engine's gears with the wheels to facilitate seamless power transmission, guaranteeing optimal performance. Installing the electronics and control systems. Integrate the electronic components, including the receiver, servo, and battery pack. Calibrate the control systems to ensure precise steering and responsive throttle, enabling you to maneuver your RC car effortlessly. Fine-tuning and testing attention to detail is key in the realm of RC cars. Conduct rigorous tests to identify any performance gaps. Fine-tune the engine settings, suspension, and steering response to achieve the perfect balance between speed and stability. Unleashing the power. Benefits of four-stroke engine RC cars. RC car enthusiasts are increasingly gravitating towards four-stroke engine models due to their numerous advantages. These engines offer enhanced fuel efficiency, allowing for longer run times without frequent refueling. Moreover, their smooth power delivery ensures consistent acceleration, making them ideal for competitive racing and thrilling stunts. Embrace the thrill of four-stroke engine RC cars. In the world of remote-controlled car enthusiasts, mastering the art of building RC car kits with four-stroke engines opens the door to unparalleled excitement and performance. By understanding the intricate components, selecting the perfect engine, and assembling the car with precision, you can craft a high-performance RC car that dominates the tracks and leaves spectators in awe. Now let's get our hands dirty. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of building your RC car. From assembling the chassis to mounting the four-stroke engine, each step is crucial. Pay close attention as we demonstrate how to create a high-performance RC car. Benefits of four-stroke engine RC cars. Why choose a four-stroke engine? This section highlights the advantages, such as enhanced fuel efficiency, consistent acceleration, and superior power. Understanding these benefits will make you appreciate the choice you've made. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to build RC car kits with four-stroke engines. With your newfound knowledge, you can unleash the full potential of your RC car. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead, build, race, and enjoy the thrilling world of RC car racing. Thank you for joining us today on this thrilling ride through the world of RC cars. If you're as passionate about speed and customization as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy racing. RC car enthusiasts, today we embark on an exciting journey.